But what if we could take that complex sound and figure out what frequencies are inside it, like turning a smoothie back into fruits? That's exactly what the Fourier transform does. It's a mathematical magic trick that takes a signal in time, like a sound wave, and tells you what frequencies are hiding inside it. Instead of seeing the sound over time, we now see which notes are there and how strong each one is. Fourier transforms are everywhere. In audio editing to clean up sound, in radios to tune into stations, in MRI machines to see inside your body, even in earthquakes, to understand the planet's deep rumbles. The crazy idea, almost any signal, no matter how weird, can be built by adding together simple waves. Fourier transform just figures out which ones to use and how much of each. It's like Lego for waves.